Mahalaga ba sa iyong pagkatao ang sinasabi ng iba? Para sa mabuhay buhay, tayo na po't magkape't padasal. Ever felt unfairly judged and that it's too late to change? The story of Jesus on the cross, alongside the criminals in Luke, offers a powerful lesson. It shows that you're judged by everyone, but their opinions don't define you. The repentant thief's simple prayer and honest admission of guilt proves that it's never too late to change and that mercy is available even when you don't deserve it. This is a call to action to find strength in humility and to remember that a sincere heart is all that's needed for a new beginning. His final moment of confession reminds us that God sees beyond our past mistakes and looks at the sincerity of our hearts. It's a profound demonstration that forgiveness is accessible to anyone at any time, regardless of their past actions. Manalangin po tayo. O Kristong Hari, tulungan mo kaming makatagpo ng lakas sa kapakumbabaan. Nagtitiwala ang iyong awa ay laging nakalaan para sa tapat na puso at bagong simula. Amen.